Ever had a plate shift mid-lift? That split second of instability can throw off your entire set, or worse, lead to injury. The Clout Fitness Barbell Collars are built to keep your plates locked in place with a rock-solid no-slip grip, so you can focus on your form without distractions. Today, we're unboxing these popular barbell collars to see if they live up to the hype. With a quick release design for easy weight changes and a variety of colors to match your setup, they promise both function and style. Whether you're hitting deadlifts, Olympic lifts, or high-intensity training, these collars are made to handle it all. Let's unbox or unwrap them in this case and see if they're worth adding to your gym setup. Nice. They look and feel super durable, like it's designed to withstand heavy training and repeated drops. This quick release lever is easy to use and lets you swap plates in seconds. And it's got a secure no-slip grip, so it keeps plates locked tight, no shifting or rattling. These collars are built for lifters who demand speed and security. Ready to lift smarter, not harder? Grab a pair and upgrade your training today.